Divine powers are always working for us because we doing right. 2020, the year of vision. Have you forgotten? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to bring your vision into reality in 2020 by becoming supernatural, okay? You are a supernatural being and you are capable of doing supernatural things. The universe, your life, your reality is magical. And all you have to do is see your vision all the way through, okay? See it to the end until it comes to pass. Whatever you wish for, whatever you want to have, you already have it right here, right now. So in this video, I'm going to teach you, or let me say, remind you that you are supernatural and how you can easily manifest and bring your vision into reality, because this year is 2020, the year of vision. Now, it feels like it was just yesterday when we entered 2020, right? I mean, it was just like yesterday. I think I could count on my fingers. It was 1, 2, 3, about 5 days ago we entered 2020, right? Remember, the new year came into existence and we was like, okay, this is the year we're gonna make everything that we want come to reality. Then all of a sudden, hold on, wait a minute. And so now all of a sudden it's June already, January, February, March. We already halfway through the year already. That fast. That's how fast time has sped up. But that's also a signification of how fast you can actually manifest and bring your vision into reality this year in 2020. That's how fast manifestations are happening now, because everything has sped up, okay? This is the time when you can bring your vision into reality at the snap of a finger, okay? The only thing you need to do in order to bring your vision to reality is get into alignment with your circumstances. So many people try to manifest and bring things into reality, try to live their wildest dreams and meet their goals all the time, but they can never get it done. They can never accomplish what you're going to accomplish this year, because you know what? They're not in alignment with their circumstances. They have not yet come to peace with their situation. I remember for a long time, you know, when I was going through hard times, maybe about 6, 7 years ago, man, I was frustrated. Okay, I was frustrated with my circumstance. You know, I was in a bind. I couldn't get no job. I never had no money on me. I felt like everybody around me was the problem as to why I was in my situation. And I just was not gaining any progress. I was not doing the things that I really wanted to do. And I was always wondering why, man. I was always wondering why I was in this victim state of mind. Like, it felt so bad, man. I did not look like this today. You know what I mean? I looked at miserable, and I just could not understand why. And then one day it dawned on me, like, Trent, why you always feeling like this? Why you always mad at the world? Okay? Why you want to attract all this stuff, but you failing to realize you are who you want to be right now, Trent. All you got to do is come into peace with your circumstances. Trent, you might not have no money right now, but that don't mean you have to get mad. See, and that's what a lot of people are doing constantly all throughout their life, and they never really even get to watch a video like this where they can be reminded that they are a supernatural being and that they can change everything that they want to have and have it in that moment, in that split second, that snap of a finger. All you have to do is come into alignment with your situation, okay? I don't know what the hell that is. That's a hummingbird back there. Can y'all see that hummingbird? Wow, that is, oh my God, that is a hummingbird. It's so beautiful. Anyway, that completely just threw me off guard right now, but I'm at peace with this hummingbird. You see what I'm saying? I didn't get mad and say, oh man, it's messing up the video. Why are you doing that? Oh man, this ain't going right. I ain't got no money. Look at my bank account. It ain't right. Oh, you open up your bank account, you look at your bank account, you got like $5. Some people be like, man, I ain't never gonna get rich, man. No, just go with the flow of anything that's not going to your way in your life right now. That's all you got to do is come at peace and come into alignment with your circumstances and just relax and get into the flow of everyone and everything around you and just be at peace. Okay, this is the first thing you got to do before you begin to bring your vision into reality in 2020. Come at peace with everything right now in this moment. Are you at peace? Give this video a thumbs up right now if you're going to come into peace with your circumstances right now, no matter what they are. All right. Now, one thing that's going on right now in our society is that everybody is distracted. Most people forgot about their New Year's resolutions already that fast. Most people forgot about where they want to go because they're too busy focusing on where everybody else is trying to go. Everybody is distracted. Nobody is focused on the 2020 vision that's supposed to come into reality this year, because you got the news over here. Okay. You got riots and stuff over here. You know, you got the economy going up and down over here. Oh, everybody's worried about the stock market. Everybody is distracted. And this is exactly what they want. This is what the powers that be want. Okay, this is what they want. They want you to be fooled. They want you to buy into the illusion. They want you to be distracted so you don't bring your vision into reality in 2020. This year, things have sped up. This year, things are going extremely fast. It's so easy to walk into your dream right now. It's so easy. But the powers that be don't want you to know that. That's why they bombarding you with negative news on social media all the time. That's why everybody's worried about what the president is doing. Everybody's distracted. So what you got to do is be able to separate yourself from all these distractions. Okay, stay in your bubble. Okay, focus on your goals. Think about everything that you're about to manifest and bring into reality this year in 2020. All right. So what you want to do in order to become a supernatural being, that which you already are, the first thing you got to keep in mind is that you have to continuously visualize everything that you're going to have. Okay, look at it. If you see a picture of something that you want, visualize that picture in your mind. You having it. If you want to travel and go to Malibu, California this year, and you can imagine yourself driving down the road with the ocean on the right, even though you're not there, you're still there mentally because you can visualize it. Now, when becoming a supernatural being, what you want to do as you visualize is you want to capture the feeling that you feel while you're visualizing. Okay, capture that feeling, that emotion that you feel when you have that 100 meal. Capture the feeling of what it feels like. Feeling is all you need in order to bring the vision into reality. If you can trick your mind into feeling good in this moment right now, like you already have what it is that you desire, this is when you become a supernatural being. This is when you begin to add to the process of creating a miracle to bring about the manifestation that you wish to desire in this moment. Depending on the degree of the feeling that you're able to capture as you visualize, it's the same rate of speed that the manifestation is going to crystallize into your reality. The more clear you can see the vision, the more high definition you can see your vision in your mind. You see exactly where you want to move. You can feel what it's like to be in the home of your dreams. You can feel it, even though you might not be in that home right now. If you are good at visualizing and seeing yourself of who you already want to be, to the point you can feel it in your heart, your soul, your spirit, Then you capture that feeling of what it feels like, and you hold that feeling. Hold that feeling, because that feeling is the key to bringing your vision into reality. The feeling is what you need in order to succeed. But see, on the other hand, the problem with most people is it's hard for them to feel good when things don't look good. People have a hard time capturing a feeling, even though they might get a glimpse of what they want to be, or how much money they want to have, or who they wish to become. They get a glimpse of it for a split second, and then they get a little bit of speck of feeling, but they're not able to hold the feeling. And so what they do all day is they go around miserable, depressed, because they can't see it in their reality yet. They fail to realize the feeling is what's gonna permeate the thing that they want into their reality, because they can't feel it first. But if you can feel it first, if you can believe it first after you see it, then you will receive it. And this is when the magic comes into play. This is when the universe uses the divine powers that are always working for you because you're doing right. This is when the universe begins to bring your vision into reality, and you might not even know it. You're not even going to be able to notice how the universe is bringing your vision into reality, because the universe is just that good, baby. It's just that good. It's that sophisticated. Nobody can figure it out, but it's not for you to figure out. It's only for you to know that becoming supernatural, the only thing you need to do is capture the feeling, okay? Manifestation is pure magic. You're literally bringing something that you see in your mind from the unseen into reality. Manifestation is miracle creation, okay? You're constantly creating a miracle the more you're able to capture the feeling. Even though you might not be with the man of your dreams, you still feel as though you already have them. You're still able to walk out into public like you're already married. People should not be able to distinguish if you're not rich or not, because you feel rich, you look rich, you feel radiant. That's all that matters. They'll never be able to know what's in your bank account if you feel good. Don't you feel good right now in this moment? Comment below right now and say, Trend, I feel good. Just comment right now and just say, Trend, I feel good, because remember, feeling is the key. So what you have to do is you have to step into the clothes of your visualization. Step into the clothes and become whatever you want to be right now in this moment. It is not separate from you. You do not have to chase it. You can literally manifest by doing nothing at all but visualizing and capturing a feeling. Hold that feeling after this video all through the day, and the universe will do the miraculous universal magic to be able to clothe you, your reality, into that what you see yourself as. It's really as simple as that. Wow. I think that you're supernatural, because you're a star seed in a star seed world. All we see are reflections. Somebody turn on the AC, man. It's hot out here. This video resonated with you? If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it to a friend so you can help somebody else not be distracted. Remind them that it's time for them to bring their vision into reality in 2020 by becoming supernatural. I'm Trend Henderson. Thank you so much for watching this powerful video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking that face icon right there. That's me. Yeah, I used to have hair, but I cut it. Hey, check out one of my other videos in the meantime while you're still here, okay? Just go ahead, click one of them. Any one of them are great videos, okay? So look, I brought my vision into reality already. I'm successful. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.